Okay, good morning. It's time to get Annie and we'll do her weigh-in. Come on. Come on. Come on, you. Come on. You want your food? Come on. Yeah, come on. Yeah. Come on. Come on, you. Hey, come on. We'll put some food out here and see if we can get her to come for her food. Yeah. Come on. Yeah, she'll make me chase her this morning. Huh? Come on. Hey, you. Come on. I can catch you. Huh? What? What? How come you're being difficult this morning? Huh? Thank you. What? Huh? Come on. Come on. Meow meow. Come on. What? Huh? Come on. You know I'm gonna catch you, huh? Yeah. Come on. There you go. Yeah, let me pet you. Yeah. Come on. Yeah. Oh. She let me catch you, huh? All right. We turn this on. We're gonna weigh you. See how much you weigh. Huh. Okay. Here we go. You've been here before. Huh? Yeah. Oh, we got a dingle ball. Huh. We'll have to get that out. Yeah. Okay. Annie weighs 18 pounds, 15 ounces. Huh. Yeah. Huh? Oh, no. You like that, huh? You want some more pets? Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Come on. We're gonna go see scissors, and he's got a dingle ball cut out. Oh. So let me cut this out. All right. Now you can take a. There you go. Yeah. All right. Now you can go eat. Yeah. Now you can go eat. Well, almost 6 minutes just to get her to, where I could capture her and get her to, for her weigh-in. And he's 18 pounds, 5 ounces, or 15 ounces. Thanks for stopping in and checking out Annie during her weigh-in. She's on a special diet, and we're struggling to get her weight within range a little bit, bring it down a little. If you like these Annie videos, please hit the like and subscribe button. Thanks for stopping in and checking out Annie this morning.